Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for a new account and log into SiriusXM. So it's important to know that SiriusXM is primarily available in the United States and Canada. So this guide is for viewers in those regions, especially if you have a new car that came with a trial subscription. So this process is straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, first, let's cover how to create a brand new account. And as many people start with a free trial that comes with a new car. But you can also sign up for the streaming-only plan directly from the website. So here's how to do it. First, open your browser and go to SiriusXM.com if you are in the US or SiriusXM.caa if you are in Canada. Then hit enter. Over here on the homepage, you should be able to see an option called Choose a plan or one bigger for 3 months. Now, this might change because this is the plan that is currently available on the website, but it can change anytime. So simply keep that in mind. So just choose any one of these options, and then it should redirect you to the subscription page. Over here, you should be able to see a lot of plans that you can currently use. So as you can see, you will have the all music plan, which is only $1 and for 3 months because of the current sale that is going on. And usually it will be $9, which you can see right over here. The same goes for this plan over here, which you can see if you get it right now, you will be able to get 3 months for only $1 instead of the regular $15 to $23. And lastly, a $25 plan. As you can see, it will have access to everything. So now all you have to do is choose one of the plans. Let's say, for example, this one. Click on that and wait for a few seconds. Now, during the sign-up process, you will need to create your own account by providing your name, a valid email address, and a very strong password. So just keep that in mind. So over here, first, simply choose account info and enter all the details right over here. And after filling up all the details, click on continue. Now, after entering your account info, make sure to also enter your car info, like the license plate, VIN, or radio ID. Just choose one of the options that you have and click on Continue and complete this step over here. And after that, click on Continue. And then it will proceed to the account creation page. Over there, you have to enter a new password and re-enter that password, and the email address will be the same that you used over here. And once you do that, the next page will be the checkout page over there. All you have to do is simply use the checkout options available, like a card or PayPal, and then complete the checkout. Once you have done that, you should be able to get a confirmation message directly on the screen and to the linked email that you used right over here. With the confirmation mail, you have created your account. And once you have gotten the confirmation mail, your account has been created. And then once you have created your account, you should automatically get logged into the account, as you can see right over here. So if you go to the settings, you'll find your account right over here. And in order for you to log in again, simply go to the login page, enter the same email address and password that you used while creating your account. Enter them, and then you should be able to get back into the main page, as you can see right over here. So that's it. Now you know how to both sign up and sign into your SiriusXM account. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.